Hello drillers, it's your host John here from Drilling Nerd. Drilling seashells is not as easy as drilling wood. They are thin and fragile and can break or crack easily. But don't worry, I have some tips to help you drill holes in your seashells without ruining them. Method 1. The gentle touch method for those fragile beauties. Step 1. Clean your shells thoroughly with soap and water, then let it dry completely. Step 2. Use a pencil to mark the exact spot where you want the hole. Step 3. Grab a sharp needle or a thumbtack. Gently twist it back and forth at the marked spot, applying light pressure. It's like a mini seashell acupuncture session. Step 4. Once you have a small hole, use a rotary tool with a diamond drill bit. Start small and gradually increase the size. Method 2. Now for those thicker, sturdier shells, let's unleash the power drill. Step 1. Secure your seashells firmly in a vise or use a clamp. This is crucial to avoid any wobbling and potential cracks. Step 2. Choose a masonry bit slightly smaller than your desired hole size. Remember, seashells are tougher than they look. Step 3. Dip your drill bit in water frequently. This helps prevent overheating and keeps your seashells cool and happy. Step 4. Begin drilling slowly and steadily, applying light pressure. Don't rush. You don't want to turn your seashell into a shipwreck. Now you can transform your seashells into beautiful creations without turning them into shipwreck debris. Don't forget to visit drillingnerd.com for more shell drilling adventures, tips and tricks.